Alright, so in this video what we're going to talk about is the Ignition Vision Client Launcher. There's a couple things you need to know, right? So if you wanted to, let's just say for instance, make a backup or a shortcut, for instance, you could easily use your little ellipse right here, your button, and then come down here and make a shortcut and put a shortcut on your desktop. Add to favorites, and then export. Export's really just your configuration for this right here. So in other words, like if you go to settings right here, you can either see default. Look, what do you want your default to be? In this case, I want my default to be the wastewater plant, and then basically at that point you can click auto exit on launch. You hit apply, and basically at that point this will be my default. Now same thing up here, you can come over here and then create a shortcut. These are you can add applications too. So if you wanted to add an application, you would merely just use your manual, like right here. I can put in this case I'm using a remote session to actually remote into the actual gateway itself. So I can use previously used. I can come over here, select gateway, and you can see these are the three that I currently have, although they are currently in my selection. Now when it comes down to it, you can click edit. You can, and this is putting in an edit mode. Like say for instance you want to delete the application, you want to come over here, you want to add or subtract. You can obviously come over here and delete the application if you don't want to see this in your actual configuration of this system. In this case we're not going to do that though, so we're going to exit the edit, and then again, so I've already added all these. With this said, I just wanted to show you an easy way to get a shortcut. Hopefully that helped. And we'll see you guys on the next one.